Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage product tags in WooCommerce. Product tags are essential for organizing your inventory and helping customers find exactly what they're looking for, making your online store more user-friendly and efficient. Let's jump right in. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store so you can access all the necessary features. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the tools for managing your store. Click on Products, and you'll notice an expanded menu appears with several options. From these options, click on Tags. This will take you to the Tag Management area where you can create and organize all your product tags. You're now on the Tags Management page, and this is where the magic happens. To create a new tag, simply enter a tag name in the provided field. This could be anything that describes a category or feature of your products, like summer collection or bestseller. Right beneath the name field, you'll see a space for the slug. The slug is the URL-friendly version of your tag name, and WordPress usually auto-generates this for you. Below that, there's an option to add a tag description. This is useful for providing more context about what this tag represents. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Add New Tag. Your tag is now created and ready to be applied to products. Now that you've created your tags, let's move on to managing and applying them to your products. Head back to the left navigation menu and click on All Products. This will show you a complete list of all the items in your store. Select any product you wish to manage by clicking on it. Once selected, you'll be directed to the product overview page where you can edit all the details for that specific item. From the product overview page, scroll down and look at the right side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Product Tags, and this is where you'll add tags to your items. Click on Choose from the most used tags, and you'll see a list of all the tags you've created. You can add each tag from this list to your product by simply clicking on them. Feel free to add as many tags as are relevant to help customers discover this item more easily. Once you've finished adding tags and configuring everything to your liking, scroll back up to the top of the page and click on Update. This saves all your changes and applies the tags to your product. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed product tags in WooCommerce, making your store more organized and searchable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.